Hello everyone, welcome back. Now we would like to discuss about the page layout and formatting. So we discussed that the document class by default is article, but we could have different document class. For example, we could have report here. When we recompile, we see that the structure is different. So you have the title and the name and the affiliation in the first page, and then you have the sections on another page, and we have like the book template here, for example, and it changes a bit. You see that it is more to the left side. So here is the book, for example, document class, and we also have the Beamer, which is for presentation that we're going to discuss all of these templates later on in another section. But just to give you an idea, I'm just recompiling, and you see that, okay, what we have here already is in one slide of a presentation using the LaTeX in Overleaf. So we go back to the article, we recompile here. And standard page here is the letter paper. So the standard page for LaTeX here by default is letter paper, but if you would like to have a larger one, you can type down A4 paper here. So it gives you a wider place for typing down your documents, but I don't even like this one also. So I would just leave this part empty, and instead I would just uncomment this part. So one thing that to learn is that when we have this sign, we are having the percentage sign, we are having the things that are commented here. So when I remove this part is included. When I have the comment, it's like that, it's not going to see it. So this way I'm going to use the package geometry, and I'm going to choose the margin of 1 inch. When I'm compiling this, so it is giving me a wider place to type down my document. It's the best thing for me, but depending on what you want, you can play with this size, or you can simply put the A4 paper here or letter paper here, start using it. But this one is, I think for me, it fits me, it suits me very well, and because it gives me wide enough place to type down whatever that I want to type, and it gives a very nice and a structured look because it's not too narrow, it's not too wide. So you see here there are some parts left here to be blanket here, and also on the right side you have enough space on the top, and from the down we don't see it here because we don't have enough stuff typing here, but we're going to check it out. But so by default, I would suggest to have this use package of geometry and have the margin of 1 inch to be by default, so you can start working on a document. And later on, if you're going to submit your paper in a specific journal, based on whatever the journal wants from you, you can always modify your margin based on the requirement of the journal. And many journals and conferences, in fact, they have their own template already there, so you don't have to do anything with you by yourself. So you just download their template and you upload their template here, you upload it here, and then you compile their template. So using their template, you can easily just type down whatever you want to type down in your paper. So you don't have to worry about the template margin and the distances between the border of the page and the point that you start typing in here. So basically, this is how we we have the page layout and formatting on Overleaf. Thanks for watching.